Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple checklist app in Android Studio using Java. This app allows users to add tasks, view them in a list, and remove them when they're completed. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how to design a simple layout, set up your text resources, and connect your user interface to Java logic to make it interactive. Step 1. Create app project. So here, new, new project, and then click the empty views activity. The next, then my application name, which is checklist, and then select Java as the programming language, and then set the minimum SDK to API 29 or higher pa, or like kung unsay mas compatible sa inyong phone. And then click finish. And after that, mag-wait ta until Android Studio ma-generate niya tanan ng files. So, an empty activity gives us a blank screen to start designing our app from a scratch. So the next step is to design the layout. So let's wait for a while. Okay, done. So here is click the app, then manifest, Android manifest XML, the Java, and the rest. So let's go to layout, then activity main, the code. Let me remove this one. So since I already have a kanang code, i-paste na nato siya dayon. Right is copy and then paste. So in here, so at the top, we place an input field where user can type a task. Below that, we add a button labeled Add Task and center it horizontally. Finally, we add a list view underneath to display the task. We set it up to allow multiple selections so user can interact with the list easily. So let me change sa kaning hint natin into instead of at string error kasi enter task. And then add task method add task. The next, set up the string. So let's go to rest and values and then string. So natay code nare. Like string, this one, and then copy and then paste. Now we define the text that appears in the app using string resources. These include the app name, the hint text for the input field, and the text for the button. Kani. Now, using string resources is a good practice because it makes the app easier to maintain and help with translating it into different languages later. So the next step is to add Java logic. So we connect the layout to Java. Dota sa main. And then this one. Get the code. It is copy and paste. We create a list to store tasks and connect it to the view using a adapter, which automatically updates the display whenever the list changes. We program the button so that when it is clicked, the app checks if the input field has text. If it does, it adds the task to the list and clear the input. If the input is empty, the app shows a message asking the user to enter a task. We also make the list interactive, so when the user clicks a task, it is removed from the list. So this keeps the app simple and functional while allowing user to manage their tasks quickly. So ato siya i-try run ning atong sorry. So ato ipa-try run ning atong code. O mogana ba? Okay. Wait. Okay. Application install field. Okay. Maghintay tayo ng ano. I-try natin ulit. Okay, so let's try again to run this app. Magana pa. Wala man na pakita sa device here. Tara. Here it is. Tara. So nigana si siya. So we can test it by typing a task and clicking the add task. So try natin. Let's put midterm exam. Then add task. So there. The task should appear in the list below. So ni-appear siya sa list below. Clicking a task remove it from the list. So if we click na to, remove si siya. So this demonstrates that our app is working as expected and that the interface is responsive and user-friendly. So to wrap up, we've learned how to create a simple checklist app, designing the layout, defining strings, writing Java logic, and running the app. So I hope this tutorial helps you to get started with building your own apps in Android Studio. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and practice building your own apps. Thank you and bye-bye.